Cruz. I'm a Governmental Affairs Attorney with the Judicial Council of California, and I'm class of 2016 from UC Davis School of Law. So I actually was an alumnus of the King Hall Outreach Program before I came to UC Davis. And in those experiences, I came to really appreciate the campus. It was a very beautiful campus. We also had a kind of state-of-the-art new facility. But I think most importantly, I came to see that King Hall really tried to develop a certain sense of community that I could even feel just visiting. Of trying to not just develop lawyers, but really develop leaders that were focused on, the greater cause, greater callings of justice, whether that be social justice or the common good. And so that really sealed the deal for me, ultimately wanting to come to King Hall. Well, I come from a big military family, so this idea of service really wasn't just a buzzword or mere platitude. It really was a maxim for life that guided me. And I also am a child of immigrants, and so I'm so keenly aware of the many opportunities I've been given. I've been born and raised in the land of opportunity, and it was just a way for me to give back to my state, to my community, and to my country. I was very honored and very humbled. It was, it took a while for me to just process even getting on these new pins, and I even said in my remarks, it may be a sign of higher rank or power or force or authority, but to me, it's really more of a reminder of it being uniform service and my call to really give back in the way that I can. So working on SB 410 under Senator Dana Nguyen was an amazing opportunity. I mean, she gave me a lot of independence and leeway to really create a bill that would help veterans. That was her goal, and really carry it through the legislative process. There were so many different hurdles to get through, and a lot of kind of advocacy and lobbying and trying to make sure we get to a consensus on a bill that was designed to ultimately help our veterans. Obviously, that's an issue that I'm passionate about, that's close to me. And it was designed, and when it was finally signed by Governor Brown, it now helps those who are transitioning out of the military to be able to get a state job if they're able to streamline that process. Because that transition from military to civilian life can be so difficult, and it's just one way to give back to those who've given so much to us. I've been so fortunate to be able to serve in all three branches of state government and really apply the skills that King Hall taught me, whether that be public advocacy, negotiations, and critical thinking, and really tackling some of our state's biggest issues, whether that be homelessness, affordable housing, mental health services, or even like workforce development. And so I really feel like there's been so many cool things I've been able to do. And one of the things that I really appreciate about King Hall was that other than trying to teach you case law and the rules, the professors really taught you behind these cases, these faceless names are people who had problems. They wanted their day in court to be made whole. And that translates to the work that I do, because behind every problem is a person in need. And I've been really able to apply those skills from King Hall to helping people.